Okay, we're talking about the motorcycle. Yep, Mommy.
Oh, that's silly. Tell me about the water cycle.
It's on runs up the water, and it turns into grass. When it gets higher, it gets higher. When it gets higher, it makes water droplets.
Because it gets what? Warmer or colder? Yes, colder. So it turns into water droplets, and then what happens?
And then the cloud starts to form.
Mm-hmm.
And then when they bounce into each other, they start falling and they fall down.
And they fall down. Back into the what?
Into oh, stop. Oh, go over. Right over in the same things.
And that's called the
Motorcycle.
water cycle. Okay, you ready for your experiment?
Yeah.
So what are you doing now?
Making clouds.
You're gonna make some clouds on top of the lake. Get sprayed in. Whoa.
Oops.
That's okay. Go ahead. Fill it up. Yep. Oh gosh.
What happened?
Do you need a little help real quick?
Yes.
Okay, 1 sec. Hold on.
Is it going?
Oh, yep. So we formed the cloud, and now you're adding what? What does that represent?
That's water.
Yes, the rain. Maybe a couple more drops, and then we'll wait and watch to see what happens. That's probably good, huh?
Let's do a little bit more like that.
Okay. What do you think is happening right now?
It's not going there.
Not yet. We made a big cloud. Do you remember what kind of cloud that is called?
A rain cloud.
A rain cloud, yes. Or a cumulus cloud.
Cumulus cloud.
Mm-hmm. So now,
when it gets so big, it is, and this lightning too, right?
oh yeah, that can happen, huh? Okay, let's see. Look at this side right here.
What?
See how the water droplets, represented by the blue,
Okay.
are forming together,
Okay.
and they're getting what?
Bigger.
And,
And then satellites drop it.
mm-hmm.
Go fast.
I know, I think we made too big of a cloud. Whoops. It's happening though. Rain just doesn't start right away, right?
Yeah. Then it starts right away. Just take a bit too much though.
Mm-hmm.
And we try to get that big of a cup.
Mm-hmm. Let's go ahead and pause it for a sec while we wait to see the rain come down. 1 sec. What's happening?
It's falling. Woo!
It's beginning to rain.
It's getting to rain.
Whoa.
It's turning dark.
Yeah. Look at that.
The water is turning dark blue.
Because it is a
A rain cloud.
rain cloud and rainstorm. What do you think?
Like it.
You like it?
And then let's go get Emma.
Oh, you want to do the next one already? So what is this called again?